The sun we see in the sky was created by Earth. Our sun is the central sun of this universe. All light and life originated from it. Earth created this universe. Earth orbits the central sun of creation. The sun releases and emits energy like any radiating energy source. Elements are created as a result, and galaxies are formed from the energy emanating from the central sun of the universe. Given that the bubble itself was originally energized by Earth upon creation, the bubble transformed into the electromagnetic field of the singularity at its center, meaning the sun. The spherical boundaries of this universe are defined by the scale and magnitude of the energy released into it by Earth upon creation. And then there is a visual representation of that. As you can see, the book starting to tell the story of creation, Genesis itself. How is it that we created this universe, and how is it that our species, the human race, the human species, created this universe and all universes that exist, being the first species. So, what is the meaning of this? Well, as our vessel of creation, planet Earth, we create universes, and the process is very simple. So this sun that we see outside was created by our planet, and it became the singularity of this universe, meaning the central point of energy where all points in the universe connect, because the universe is a sphere of energy. And everything that you see in the space structure field is what we know as its electromagnetic field in physics. So all these points are interconnected through filaments, and these filaments, what we call quantum entanglement in physics, go back to the source of creation, which is the Genesis, which is this point, this infinite energy point release known as the singularity at the epicenter. And the way that looks, energetically speaking, is as a sun, but not a regular sun of a small galaxy or a solar system. It happens to be the biggest one and the most powerful one because it's the central sun of the universe itself. And this is what our sun is. This is the real role of our sun. Our sun is the central sun of this universe. And because we created this universe, when we created a bubble using the pyramids of Giza, and that bubble of energy essentially became the electromagnetic field of that sphere, holding that space in the vastness of space, right? And then we injected the energy into it, we released the energy into it, and that energy gets liberated inside of it, and at the epicenter through a vortex, it goes inside and it generates the singularity. And then that becomes an infinite energy release mechanism that has a feedback loop, a pulse. And that is our sun. And everything that comes out of the sun in the way of elements, and it creates everything that exists, all the galaxies and everything that there is within a universe, which is spherical. That's why it's spherical and fractal in nature, because it goes to infinity, an infinite number of galaxies, an infinite number of star systems, an infinite number of solar systems, an infinite number of suns, an infinite number of planets, all spherical, all contained within this universe. And because we created it, we know everything about it. And our planet orbits the central sun of that creation, because this is the species that we are. Because we created it so we can be everywhere we want, but because we want the highest energy of creation to power ourselves as a species, we want to be the closest to the proximity of the highest energy density that there is, which is the central sun, which is the singularity. So this is the explanation of Genesis itself, who we are as the creators of everything. Who we are. This is who we are. So this is our species. So you see, this is the next page of the book.